it's is there not gratis? I mean that's free for education. Are there some education it's free or all of the education system they must be pay money?
No, education is free in Pakistan, but there is difference, distinguishness that the people who belong to elite class, they have different structures, they have different institutions, they pay for their education and get a good education that can compete with international level. But the poor people of Pakistan get the education which is not comparable with the elite class education, and they can't beat the international levels. So this is the difference between the education of poor people and the elite class in Pakistan.
So, for example, bro, how about the government school? Or the government school must be pay a lot of money to go enter the government school?
The problem is that government is not budgeting well as they should for the education. The infrastructure is not so good that can produce a good environment for the people of Pakistan, and they can beat the competitive level of different countries as developed countries are in the world, in all over the world. They are providing education, but the level is not good. As I have also get my education from government sector, but I have seen that there were many problems when I was studying. Our education level was not good, but the private sector was more strong and they were providing Oxford syllabus. Their English skills were so strong if student is coming from private sector, and as we were in a government sector, so we were not strong enough, we were not skillful as the students were in private sector. But when I got the higher education from big city Lahore of Pakistan, then I was better because it was a big city and the University of Punjab is the best university in Pakistan. So the skills which I get just because of that big city and the best university of Pakistan. So I feel better that I'm good to serve Pakistan.
The last question, bro. The last question for you. So, is it English must be studied? I mean, that's all of the Pakistan people. They must be speak English. Can you explain to me?
The communication is not relying on English because we have different languages like there is Punjabi language in Punjab province, Sindhi language in Sindh province, and Balochi and so on. Typically have different native language, and the mother language of Pakistan is Urdu.
Okay.
The maximum people of Pakistan communicate in Urdu language, but the official language and you know well at international level, English is
Okay.
everyone know and have good knowledge of English to communicate with other countries, and also if we have I'm serving an education department, and every letter of my department
Okay.
always type English language. It is the official language which we discuss different letters,
Okay.
different department communicate with each other. That is English language.
Okay. Thank you so much, bro, for your conversation. Okay. Nice to meet you, bro.
But I want to discuss with you about Indonesia.
I think that's in Indonesian. It's the same. The same with. I think that's in Indonesia exactly. It's the same with the Pakistan, bro. I mean that's education. It's compulsory. All of the children must be go to school. But sometimes we must be pay. I mean that's the same with the Pakistan. Exactly, the government school. Even the government school we must be pay. But if the private school, I mean that's we need a lot of money to pay to enter the private school. But sometimes the government school it's gratuity. It's free for children, bro. It's not totally pay for the government school.
Okay. the same, but there is a gap of level, education level.
Okay.
Private sector is providing good education level, and the government sector is not as the private is doing well.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
What's about the religions of Asia?
Sorry, bro.
How many religions are there in Indonesia?
Indonesia, I think that's the majority people they are Muslim, bro. But they are Christian, Hindu, Buddha, Konghucu, Animism. I mean that's there are a lot of religion in Indonesia, but the majority people they are Muslim.
Muslim, how many percent there are Muslims in Indonesia?
And I think that's it's about 90%, 90% Muslim.
90%. I think so in Pakistan there are 97% Muslims. Meaning the maximum population here belongs to Muslim community. 97%.
Okay. Okay, bro. Nice to talk with you. Okay, we can talk later. I think that you are busy. Okay, because you are. See you next time, bro. Okay. Have a nice day for you, bro.
We will talk later. Nice to have a talk with you. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Assalamualaikum, bro. Have a nice day, bro.